Good morning. Today I would like to show you a handy feature which comes into play if you use our AI translations feature. Remember, I introduced that to you in one of the last newsletters, and the AI translation feature is super handy if you're not capable of translating, if you want to save tremendous amounts of time, or if you would like to offer languages that are rarely necessary because you only have a few guests, but you want to customize your services and your information to your guests even more. So AI translation is super neat. And what I would like to show you today is a feature which complements AI translations, because if you translate, you might forget about approving a translation or in the first place translating. And we developed a page which helps you to identify content items where these translations are not complete. How do you do that? You go down to hotel settings. This page shows you all areas where some translations are not complete yet. And in this case, you see 6 content items, 2 in the activities, 1 in services, and 3 in hotel information. I'll simply go into the spa workshop and click on edit. And what we see here is that there is a text in English, which has obviously filled in as the default language, but all other languages, German, Spanish, Italian, and Turkish, are missing. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to translate into the other languages. This is the success message up here. Do the same for the body text. So the yellow dots still appear there. Why? Because we haven't approved them yet. So I will simply approve these ones in the other languages, then the red yellow dot disappears. Once again, doing Italian now and doing Turkish, and then clicking on save down here, and the item disappeared. So that's a super neat feature to really get your content up to date, have every language shown for every item. And if you're sometimes forgot about to either translate or approve the translations, it'll show up here. Happy to guide you through in a call on demand as well. And yeah, I'm strongly suggesting you to use AI translations. And if you do so, of course, also the content quality page.